what I love seeing is this, to be honest. AMD Ryzen, AMD Radeon. Okay. Dell Inspiron G5 SE for special edition. This is just an unboxing video. I'm not gonna get into any specifics. Let's get into it. Knife, trusty knife here. Oh, okay. Got charging cable. We've got power brick. That thing is huge. Wow. Holy smokes. Then we've got the laptop. So very minimal packaging. I mean, I thought there would be a box outside of this box, but I don't expect much. And we got warranty and a manual. Manual for what? How to turn it on. Let's see. It's literally how to turn it on. What? So these are the ports. We've got a power barrel port, a mini display port, HDMI 2.0, super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and a USB-C display port, alternate mode only, which means that you can send signals that are non-USB, which means that you can also send video signals through this USB-C port. On the other side, you've got an SD card reader, an audio jack, two USB 2.0s, and a wedge lock slot, also known as a Kensington lock. We can see here that there are two microphones at the top with a 720p webcam. And on the bottom, we have two bottom firing speakers. Oof, nice. Keep those just in case I return this. I got this July 14th, and it said it would arrive August 6th, but it actually arrived August 2nd, so I was pretty happy about that. So, wow. So this is just gonna be an unboxing and first impressions video. Let's quickly weigh it. Ugh. So it is around 2.5, let's just say 2.5 kilograms. And then we've got this massive power brick. Holy smokes. This thing is huge. We've got a $5 bill for size comparison. Do you see that? This thing's huge. And this is how thick it is. Money. That's my relative. This thing's fucking big, dude. 0.9 kilograms, this whole charging brick assembly. So the total will be that. I'm gonna open the back up to show you and let you know what you're in for, because I wish I knew this beforehand. So opening the back just requires 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10 screws to be loosened. That's the sound to probably stop, because these screws will not come out. I'm just gonna pull on, oh, there we go. So there's some give when you pull on these ports like that. All right, easy peasy, hey? Another thing I was worried about after seeing a lot of reviews is a heating system. The bottom is plastic, as many of you know. So people say the heating won't be as good. So that's the back, G5 AMD. At least they made a case for the AMD, or like at least the back plating, the plastic black plating. So people are worried about cooling. Well, this is what you see. You get some copper plating, I think. Copper plating mesh, protect from dust. The case itself is plastic, but it's lined with this metal. Copper to disperse heat, more copper. So I didn't get the full spec'd out model because I didn't want 1 terabyte of storage, because you could add your own storage right here, as you can see. You got upgradable RAM right here, DIMM slots, DDR4 memory for laptop, 2 NVMe M.2 slots for upgradable RAM. So I just thought to myself, oh, I can upgrade whatever I want. However, I saw this slot. It made me really excited because I was like, oh, I can add an SSD. But as you can see, where in the world is this SSD SATA connector, right? I don't get it. What's supposed to be here? And it even says right there in engraving, it says 4.7mm hard disk drive. But it's not there. You can't even add it. However, this battery, I've got a 51 watt hour battery. The fully spec'd out model has a 68 4-cell battery, so that'll actually fill up this whole space. This is only a 3-cell, as you can see. So if battery matters to you, I would get the full spec'd out model. Why did they just use this space? Like, it's just wasted space. Why don't they just give us an option to fill it up with a 4-cell battery? What I was kind of worried about was this hinge. right there, because it doesn't look that long lasting. I would rather have 2 hinges so that I can open and close. Because when you open from one side of the laptop, you'll get this flex, and I don't really like that. This top though, oof. So a lot of people have been saying that OEMs are skipping out on AMD CPU laptops because, you know, you want your expensive Intel laptops to sell. And I can totally see why people are saying that. As you can see, like, you've got this unicorn mythical coloring. Let me get the light here so that you can see this. But do you see the shine, the sheen? Yeah, you see it on the laptop. That's not like that's not a distortion. That's actually what you see. And it's prevalent throughout this whole top. It's not like I'm gonna be going out with this a lot because of the pandemic. So I thought, you know, it'll be okay. The 4 options you had with the laptop are the ones you'll see on the screen. Thankfully, there was a sale. So I checked the conversion rates, and the US model and the Canadian models were the same price after I converted. So I got this in the end after taxes for $17.50, which is this much US dollars. So now let's turn it on. Windows installation. I am from Canada. Wow, this trackpad is really nice. Holy smokes. It's clicking. I think it's okay. I'm not gonna be too picky about that right now. The panel looks nice. We got the 15.6 inch screen, 1920 by 1080, 300 nits of brightness, anti-glare. Yeah, I would say so. Let's see how bright this thing can get. Okay, not as bright as I thought it could get, but good. Ooh, very responsive. I like. Backlit keys. You got 3 modes. Nice. Ooh, keyboard. Hello. It's nice. It's nice. Nice. Wow. This thing is fast. Holy. Wow. Okay. Trackpad. Great trackpad. Really love this. I usually decline all this because I heard even online speech recognition, because I heard the more you give them, the more they'll use for ads and stuff. One of my reasons for getting this laptop was SmartShift. That's where if you're gaming, it'll pump more wattage into the graphics card, and then if you're doing more productivity tasks, it'll pump more wattage into the CPU. I'm for that. I like that. It just makes me feel like I'm getting the best bang for my buck, you know what I mean? Like I'm not getting bottlenecked anywhere, you know? So it says on the website that it's around 14% all around improvement, depending on what you're doing. This is the first laptop that is released as with the AMD Radeon 5600M. The processor is an AMD Ryzen 7 4800H mobile processor. This is an 8-core and 16 threads. I got this laptop as a risk because I heard about how hot this thing gets. I mean, it's getting warm right now, actually.
A few minutes later.
It is running warm, just doing basic tasks, but that's with any laptop, really. Great, fantastic. So thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna get back to you with some other videos while I'm really enjoying this computer. So anyways, bye. Ooh, and there you have it.